of relaxing, but they're also kind of annoying as well because they have, oh my God, I have the perfect vase weight here. Ooh. Hello everybody. So today I have for you a Lush Fresh and Flowers unboxing. Don't know why I'm doing this. So this has not long arrived, so it motivated me to go put some makeup on and real human clothes, you know, instead of sitting around in my pajamas. So I thought I'd share with you what is in, this is February, yeah, February's box. I forgot what month it was. Obviously comes in your little standard box with your little name on it. I love that they do that, it's so cute. Let's open her up, shall we? I saw spoilers for this at the beginning of, well, about a month ago, I'd say, or 3 weeks ago. So I can only remember like one thing that's in it. The rest is, I guess, still a surprise, so yay. Parched. Okie croaky, let's open it. Sorry, my camera's on bloody cinematics, so it keeps focusing on my face. Yeah. Right, there we go. You've got your little, you can just see my eye real creepy, just ignore that. Let's open it up. I'm scared it's gonna fall out. Ooh. Can you see? Ooh. Okay, that is really creepy. Hi. How cute. I could have just gotten out of the frame, I'm so stupid. Oh, isn't that just the most precious thing you've ever seen? So this smells so florally. It's gorgeous. So let's try and get this little posy out, shall we? Fresh little posy. This is cute because you could actually put this in a vase. I like this one, I think. I do have, oh my God, I have the perfect vase weight here. Look, isn't this just perfect for this? It's a little too deep. I'll have to put something in the bottom. We'll figure it out. But isn't this adorable? So you've got some tulips. You've got, so I know my boyfriend, he's really good with flowers. I always say boyfriend, he's my fiance, but that word just icks me out. You've got some tulips. You've got, I don't know what these are, but I like these a lot. Look how cute they are. What is this? I don't know what this is. I'll have to read it out of the box after. Let's move on to the products. I don't know why, like this box compared to previous ones seems like, I think it is less stuff. So I feel a bit like duped. I don't know why, like, 'cause you usually get more stuff in it, but this all looks really cute. So let's get into it. First thing I will grab out is this little guy. Look how cute he is. He's a little gingerbread man looking fellow. So this is called Love Poppet Bath Bomb. He's adorable. I just realised he's got a little heart where his heart is. How cute is that? This is insanely florally. I'm not big on floral products, but we will use this. We don't let stuff go to waste around here. Then next, I'm so excited for this. It just looks like really, ooh, it is appealing to touch. Is this little guy. So this is a Delight. I believe it's very creamy on top, which I wasn't expecting. Yes, this is a Happy Blooming Delight. So it's one of those like foamy, squishy marshmallow-like body washes. Oh wow, that's so nice. Oh my God. It's just, I think I've heard this is meant to smell like cherries, and it really, I think it smells a bit more like strawberries, but but oh, that smells delicious. This stuff on top as well, I was expecting it to be hard, like a sort of wax type vibe, but it's really creamy. Isn't that interesting? Oh, that's so beautiful. I love that. That's like one of the, I think one of my favourite things I've had in a Fresh and Flowers box. Lovely, love that. What do we got now? Just had to give this a quick wipe because it's it was covered in that Blooming Delight stuff. We've got a fresh face mask. This is the Love and Kindness Fresh Face Mask. So this says, the more we can be kind to ourselves, the more love we will have in our lives. Be the biggest admirer of yourself. Choose the kindest words with soothing fresh rose petals and brightening pomegranate. Sounds delish. Oh, look at that. It's a grey blue, I'd say, colour. And it smells like rose jam, in my opinion. I'm not mad at that. That's going to be lovely. We'll be using that later. Next up, we have some iPads. I can't remember if I've told you, I don't care for the iPads. I mean, I don't see what great benefit they actually have on the old eyes, because there's no fixing this. They're kind of relaxing, but they're also kind of annoying as well because they fall off your face all the time. But these ones look particularly cute, so it's going to be nice with the face mask. These are Venus under iPads. They are little, gorgeous little hearts. These are stunning, like they're really cute though. Sorry, Michael, I'm ripping you in half, my dude. Oh, beautiful. So there they are. They are beautiful and shimmery. Look at that. Look at that, stunning. That's an odd scent. I mean, I'm not sure they're meant to be scented, but it smells a bit like a public swimming pool. That's bizarre. They look adorable though. I'm just gonna whack those in the fridge so we can get those on later as well. Then we have a little wax melt, a little Lush melt, sorry. Gorgeous. This is called Love Spell. Again, in my opinion, it smells like rose jam. I'm not the biggest fan on rose jam, but it's still nice. We can live with it. I've just realised I'm like really close to the camera. I'm like, hello. So this says, red is ruled by the planet Mars, the planet of action and passion, and will therefore be used to call love into our lives and to love ourselves just a little bit more. Cinnamon is connected to the goddess Venus. I would not say there's cinnamon in this. It doesn't smell particularly cinnamony to me. But yeah, you can use these in your bath or you can use them in your wax burner. If I ever use them in my bath, which I don't anymore, they drive me fucking mad because they just leave a massive ring of wax around the bath. You have to clean your whole bath, and I don't want to do that every time I have a bath. So we only use these in the old wax burner. The Lush melts can be a bit hit and miss. Some of them smell really strong and lovely, and some of them not so much. The one we got for Christmas in the Fresh and Flowers box, the cinnamony type one, was it called Mr. Mr. Fezziwig's Negus, I think it was called. That was ridiculously strong. That was beautiful, like a cinnamon vibe. I loved that. But for instance, like the Snow Fairy one you get at Christmas, I used that. I smelled it for about 5 minutes and then I could not smell it at all. So that was a little bit disappointing. But I've got high hopes for this. This smells very strong. And if you know rose jam, it does tend to stick around quite a lot. I've purchased the, what's it called? Valkyrie, I think it's called, shampoo. That smells like rose jam as well. And I used it 2 days ago, I think. And my hair still smells a bit stunning. Last thing we have is, what are you? Oh, I'm confused. There's no little description for this, but I think it's a wash card or something, or you plant it, or I don't know. Let's open it up, shall we? Oh, cute. I wish I had a slightly better one that's a bit not very good. But you've got a little wax seal there. And then you open it up. It says, you are worthy of good things. How beautiful. I'm really confused. I don't know what this is. Find your love spell in the box. The more we can be kind to ourselves, the more love we will have in our lives. Be the biggest admirer of yourself. Choose the kindest words. Celebrate everything that is unique about you. What in your heart do you know you're amazing at? You are so loved. Repeat out loud or whisper if you like. You are worthy of good things. Keep the letters safe. Fold into a tiny square. If you wish, seal your spell. Save the petals from the bath. Let them dry overnight under the light of the crescent moon. And bury your love letter and let the magical petals infuse your wishes. Burying in magic brings longevity. Perfect for this Venus in Capricorn Valentine's Day. Wow, was I even in the frame then? Like over here. Interesting. Okay, that sounds a little bit elaborate. I'm all for witchy shit, but will I be doing that? I'm going to reread that and see. Can you just put it in your bath? I don't know. I don't know if I'll do that. I might do that. I mean, I probably will end up doing it. Let's not lie, Charlie. And the flowers were red and purple tulips, pink hyacinth, and mimosa. I've never heard of that, but I like it. So that's everything you get in there. Like I said, I feel like there's like always one more product that you get in the usual boxes, but that's fine. It's all really quite nice stuff. I really like that box though, I do. That's a very cute box. I'm very glad that they actually did a Valentine's Day theme, because in the kitchen box there is no Valentine's Day theme, which would have been lovely. So I'm very glad that they did it with the fresh and flowers. Stunning box, really very happy with that. Did you guys get this month's box? If you did, what's your favourite thing out of it? My favourite thing in this is definitely the Delight, the body wash. What the fuck is it called? The Happy Blooming Delight, that's my favourite. Yeah, we'll be using all that tonight, so stay tuned and I will upload little demos of it all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed and you feel like it, that'd be great. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.